Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, August 15th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have an area of low pressure developing to our south, and that's producing a few pesky showers over southeastern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey, and a mix of sun and clouds over the New York City metro and northern interior. Winds are from the northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour around the New York City metro, from the north around the Philadelphia metro around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s over the far northern interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 70s in your urban areas. When we take a look at the latest radar and satellite picture and surface map, should I say, you can see an area of low pressure here in the Tennessee River Valley that's tracking due east towards the Delmarva Peninsula. That's producing periods of showers over southeastern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey. These will remain over this location and then drop south and begin to dissipate as this low pressure system basically pushes over the coastal waters. Now, as it does so, it's going to produce a northeasterly wind and an onshore flow for much of this week, but it'll also produce a few isolated showers and a mix of sun and clouds. Not a washout in any way, shape, or form, but just a few pesky showers. This is actually going to be the most rainfall we'll see this week with this low pressure system, as it's producing some moderate rainfall over portions of southeastern Pennsylvania and extreme southern New Jersey. When we take a look at the latest visible satellite picture, you can see the thickest clouds are right down here around Lancaster and Reading and down towards Philadelphia and down towards Wildwood and Cape May, New Jersey, and down towards the Delmarva Peninsula. But notice it's not really pushing all that far north because we have high pressure to the north here supporting drier air. So as a result, that cloud cover remains more scattered over the New York City metro while it's more overcast with those isolated, widely scattered showers over the Philadelphia metro. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see some of the stronger lifting and colder cloud tops here over southeastern Pennsylvania. This will continue to dive to the southeast as this low pressure system heads towards the coastal waters and starts to slowly get its act together before lifting up towards the Gulf of Maine later on this week. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Look for a few pesky showers. Other than that, a mix of sun and clouds with high temperatures in the lower 80s throughout the region. For tonight into tomorrow morning, a mix of clouds with a few isolated showers around. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, again, an area of low pressure will continue to fester over the coastal waters with a trough hanging around. That's going to lead to a mix of sun and clouds, a few isolated showers. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s. On Wednesday, that low pressure system starts to organize around the Gulf of Maine. We get more of a northeasterly wind out of this with a few pesky showers here and there via some troughs dropping through. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s on Long Island and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. On Thursday, that low pressure system intensifies in the Gulf of Maine, bringing heavy rain to portions of eastern Maine, and just some scattered clouds and maybe an isolated shower for our neck of the woods. Other than that, it's going to be pretty quiet with the wind coming in off the west, so a little bit drier as well in terms of the relative humidity. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s throughout the region. On Friday, a weak trough will pass through with an isolated shower. Other than that, scattered cloud cover is expected, with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid 80s throughout the region. A few upper 80s are possible in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, an area of low pressure will develop to the south with increasing clouds and a threat for a few scattered showers towards the evening hours. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s and high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 80s. On Sunday, that area of low pressure passes through the coastal waters with some scattered showers. Still a debate as to whether or not we're going to be dealing with any heavier downpours here, but At the very least, we'll be dealing with a few scattered showers around the region, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid 80s over the interior and lower to mid 80s along the coast. On Monday, another area of low pressure will linger around the region with a few widely scattered showers. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, and high temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, mid 80s over the interior, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.